Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of science. Our today's topic is excretion in human beings. Life of every organism depend on certain basic processes. Excretion is one among them. Different organisms follow different mode of excretions. In complex organism includes humans, there is a specialized system for excretion called human excretory system. We all obtain our nutrient from different sources which are later digested and metabolized in our body. After metabolic reactions, the body starts to sort out useful and toxic substances in an individual. As we all know, the assimilation of the toxins may be harmful and the body removes all the metabolic waste by the process called excretion. Different organisms follow different mode of excretions such as kidney, lungs, skin and eyes depend on their habitat and food habit. For example, aquatic animals excrete waste in the form of ammonia, while bird and insects excrete mainly uric acid. Humans produce urea as a major excretory product. Let us have a detailed look at the excretory system. Notes to explore the excretory system in human beings, different organisms of the excretory system and the mechanisms of excretion in human beings. Excretory system includes a pair of kidney, a pair of uterus, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Kidneys are bean-shaped structures located on either side of the backbone and are protected by the ribs and muscles of the back. Each human adult kidney has a length of 10 to 12 cm and a width of 5 to 7 cm and weighs around 120 to 170 grams. The kidney have a inner convex structure. At the center there is a notch called hilum through which the blood vessels and nerves enters the organs. Towards the inner surface of the hilum there is a large funnel shaped space called renal pelvis with projections called cilius. Let us discuss the structure of kidney. Structure of kidney consists of capsule, nephrons and Henle loops. Let us discuss these things one by one. We start with capsule. The outer layer is called the capsule. Inside the kidney there are two zones. The outer zone is cortex and the inner zone is medulla. The cortex extends in between the medullary pyramids as renal columns called columns of Bertin. Next one is nephrons. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidney. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubes. Glomerulus consists of a bunch of capillaries formed by afferent arterioles. Blood from glomerulus is carried away by efferent arterioles. The renal tube starts with a cup-like structure called Bowman's capsule, and this encloses the glomerulus. The Malpighian body consists of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. The highly coiled structure in the tubules next to the Bowman's capsule is the proximal convoluted tubule. And the last one is Henle's loop. The next part of the tubule is Henle's loop, which has an ascending and a descending limbs. The ascending loop continues as a distal convoluted tubule. The distal convoluted tubule of many nephrons open into the collecting duct. The cortical region of the kidney comprises of Malpighian corpuscles, proximal convoluted tubules and distal convoluted tubules, and the medullary region contains a loop of Henle. There are two types of nephrons, cortical and juxtamedullary. In the case of cortical, the loop is Henle's is very short and extends only a little into the medulla, while in extramedullary, the loop of Henle is very long and runs deep into the medulla. Another important component of the human excretory system consists of uterus. A thin muscular tube called the uterus comes out of each kidney, extending from the renal pelvis. It carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. After that, next one is urinary bladder. It is a sac-like structure that stores urine until micturition. Micturition is the expulsion of urine from the body. The urine is carried out to the bladder through the uterus. After that, next one is urethra. This tube arises from the urinary bladder and helps to expel urine out of the body. In males, it acts as the common duct of sperm and urine. It opens in guarded by a sphincter. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.